morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Seat Work Explanation. Today is lesson number 161. Boys and girls, let's take a look at our working with phonics paper. Please make sure you have your name on your paper. Let's take a look at the direction. It says copy the names of the animals. Here, you have a list of animals in alphabetical order. You have two columns. On this column, on the left, you're going to write the following names on these lines. On this column over here, you're going to write these sets of animals' name on each line. Please make sure you form your letters correctly and use your neatest handwriting. Boys and girls, let's take a look at our arithmetic page 321. Make sure you have your name on your paper. Section 1 says write the sums and differences. Complete section 1. Section 2 says color inside each shape. Here it tells you the specific color to color each shape. Section 3 says how many cents. Make sure you count the greatest value to the least amount and write the total amount in the answer box. Section 4 says set the clock. The time is 6:20. Set your clock to 6:20. Section 5 says count by tens. You're starting at 115 and you're counting by tens. Let's take a look at our arithmetic page 322. Section 1 says circle each group of 5 buttons. So you're going to circle groups of 5 buttons. So each coat has 5 buttons. So you're going to circle. This is one group, 1, 2, 3, 4. A says how many groups of buttons? We have 4 groups of buttons. Section 5 says how many buttons in each group. Let's count the buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 buttons in each group. Now what do we count by to find how many buttons in all? Since there's 5 buttons in each group, we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there are 20 buttons in all. So here we write 5 because we're counting by 5s. Here we write 20 because there's 20 buttons. Now write the multiplication fact. The multiplication fact is 4 times 5 equals 20. Take a look at section 2. Circle each group of 5 pennies. You're going to follow the directions from A to E and you're going to complete section 2 on your own. Take a look at our letters and sound, page 161. As always, boys and girls, please make sure you have your name on your paper. Here, finish each riddle. The words in the box are carrot, sparrow, and parrot. So you're going to read the riddle and you're going to pick a word from the word bank and write it on the line. The word in this word bank are fire, tire, and fireworks. Once again, you're going to read the sentences, pick a word from the bank to complete the riddle. Take a look at our language page 161. Make sure you have your name on your paper. Section 1 says write sentences using these words. You're going to write a sentence for each picture. You have ice cream and snack. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends in a punctuation mark. Section 2. Can you answer the questions about ABC order? Here you have some sports equipment. You have baseball, football, soccer, hockey, volleyball, and tennis. you're going to read each section and you're going to answer the questions based on this. We're using the concept of ABC order. All right, boys and girls, please make sure you have completed your spelling activities on Spelling City today and be prepared to take your spelling test on Friday. Boys and girls, that is our time for a seat word explanation. Have a wonderful day.